And good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach After Market Update for the Live Trading Alert Call Room. Today is Wednesday, August 19th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Had some killer trades today. Some killer trades. We had a really nice one in the NQ, smallerish one in the NQ, couple piddly ones, 10 to 20 ticks or, on some of your contracts because they didn't really follow through, but we knew that might not happen. And we took a couple like that in the NQ. We took a monster in gold, a small one in gold. I'm going to run through everything here again in no particular time order from left to right. The first trade we took was a short on the NQ. That was on the 933 candle, 76.75. Trade made over 25, 30, almost 30 ticks. Again, market on open, so we're expecting that volatility. Told everybody if it didn't get below the 70s sustained, we wouldn't have lower targets. We did have lower targets, but that was a target. I knew we had 20, 30 ticks of room, so I figured we would do that at the minimum. And then it came back up, came back down. We hit that trade again, and again, I said the same thing. If it sustains below the 69.70. The next target I called was 48. I actually had a target of 44.2, which was also hit, but I just gave people the higher target. That was a monster trade. That trade went over 100, 120 ticks to the target, hit, and actually that was the low of the day. It never closed below our target, and that's the low of the day. Monster trade there. We tried a couple longs. I said longs were going to be really tough because they were going to try to hold the market negative, at least for the first part of the morning. Said eventually they may make it up there, but which they did actually at the end of the morning, but we did not take this again. Most people were done already, but we got long here, made about 10 ticks or a break even if you move your stop up. This one made better. This one made from 950 to 1750. So over 30 ticks on that trade, which wasn't bad. Once it goes 20-30, you're going to move your stop up to entry, so you're not going to give back on any runners, or you're just out at 20-30 ticks. That was not a bad trade. And then in the gold, we pounded a beautiful power play. We were waiting for it for a while, for half an hour or so, or more. 90.5 on the 1039 candle. Took no heat. Down. I gave everybody targets of 78, okay, and then 68 to 70. And then I said, that's the area where, it could drop lower, but that's probably enough short term. And sure enough, you'll see here the room closed and we're right here. And they didn't hit another downside target. They got above, and that's it. They may do something else in the afternoon, don't know. And then we tried a long, an S-play long, was 71.7. It went up to 74.7. Some people were in at 72. Either way, it made over 20 ticks. And then again, I told everybody this may follow through, it may not, just because it's, end of the morning and against the trend, and buyers are just dried up. So, but it made 20 plus ticks, so not a bad opportunity there as well. That's what we did. So no losing trades. We had 4 or 5 winners. Small, a couple were smallerish, but a couple were monsters. And we'll come back tomorrow. We'll do it all over again. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com, and we'll see everybody back tomorrow. Bye, traders.